I've just realised when I recorded this video before, I didn't even have the mic plugged in and it sounded like crap, and I think I might be doing it now. Yeah, I am doing it now. Right, okay. The mic should be plugged in, hopefully. Hey up everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I come with you all. Fifth time lucky. I tell you, today's just not my day. Hey up everyone, how's it going? And I come to you today with the legendary Logitech G502. This mouse is my favourite mouse, but not for gaming, if that makes sense. It's my actual favourite mouse for stuff other than gaming, because I do more stuff than just game. Let's say I edit videos as well. Who would know? Who would know that I run a YouTube channel? But yeah, the Logitech G502 is a really good mouse, and especially for the price of about £40 in the UK off Amazon, I believe. I'll put it on the screen and correct if I'm wrong, but I think I'm right. This mouse is really, really good for the price. The quality, the functionality, even the software works. Razer can't say that because Synapse, let's be honest, it's quite garbage and doesn't work half the time. I still can't get my RGB to sync on there, so I just turned it off. This mouse actually did release in 2014. Not this specific one, it's seen many revisions since then. This is the second revision. So this is the Proteus Spectrum RGB, which is the first one with the RGB, because the original was just a blue light, I believe. And behind me, I've got the Hero 16K sensor version as well, which has got the more sort of clean logo on there as well. And it looks pretty nice. It's not the wireless one, it's the wired, and it looks pretty good. Yeah, just the design on this mouse, the amount of buttons, 11 buttons are programmable. You've got also the infinite scroll wheel, which is one of my favourite features. You've also got a profile switcher there, which you can disable. I've disabled it because I don't want it switching the DPI all the time. And you've got the side buttons as well. So that one I've got to, these are the 4 and 5 mouse buttons even, my mistake. And these ones I've got to change next track on like a song or something like that. Previous track, and I have that one as pause. So you can map them to whatever in the software. That's what I've got them mapped to, and it makes the most sense, to be honest. So this is my Hero version. This is the newest version apart from the wireless one, which is pretty much the ultimate G502. But hey, I've got a mouse bungee on it. I don't have to worry about charging it, and it's cheaper, so to be honest, I'm not really that bothered. This is how it compares to my daily gaming mouse, the Razer Viper Ultimate. I did make a video on this, video up there. And yeah, this mouse is the ultimate wireless gaming mouse. It may have been overtaken by the new Logitech G Pro Wireless Superlight, but yeah, I like this one. Only problem is the software is crap. Synapse is garbage software. I hate Razer Synapse. Razer, please sort that out. However, Logitech G Hub, the software for the G502 and any other Logitech product, pretty good. No problems at all, really. Sometimes it forgets my actual settings, and all I have to do is just restart the app. But other than that, no problems at all, really. Looking at this mouse, we've got a Hero 16K sensor, which is probably one of the best sensors on the market right now. Really, really good sensors. Sensors have come a long, long way since 2014 when this mouse originally come out. And that's pretty much the sort of only upgrade you're getting over the original one. So you're getting a cleaner look with the logo. I think the logo looks way better. A better sensor, and that's about it. Probably a better quality cable as well. It does feel much of a better quality than the last one, I might add. Speaking about the cables, this is the cable on my old Logitech G502, and yeah, it hasn't fared too well. That's the main reason why I did get a mouse bungee, because this was just scratching at the back of my desk. So yeah, not great. I'm going through the edit and I forgot to mention the actual clicking of the mouse, and all the buttons feel fine. There's no issues with it at all, and it's nice and tactile. The click's quite satisfying. The right and the left do sound a bit different, but other than that, it's perfectly fine. Okay, is this mouse worth it in 2021? Almost said 2020 then. All these years are just binding into one now. Oh dear. Yeah, but in 2021, is this mouse worth it? And I would say yes, definitely. Especially that it's supposed to retail at £80, I think, £80. Don't pay £80 for this. Everyone else sells it for like 40 quid. So get it off Amazon. I think even Curry's PC World in the UK do it for 50, and them known to not exactly be the cheapest outlet out there. But yeah, this mouse is definitely worth 40 quid. The quality, the build, it's just solid. There's no like rattle. There's a bit of rattle from the middle mouse button because it's the infinite scroll wheel, but yeah, it's a perfect mouse apart from the slug weight. If you're looking to get into more competitive games, maybe a lightweight mouse like my Viper Ultimate might be a bit better for you, mainly because it is much lighter, and I accidentally just played something because I pressed the media buttons. But yeah, something like this or a Model O is really cheap and it's really good for the price. Really light, really good competitive gaming mouse. This has got more features, software which doesn't work because it's Razer and Synapse is crap. And yeah, it's got a 20,000 DPI sensor, but this isn't a review of the Viper. I've already done one of them. It should be up to your one at the corners, but yeah, I've really loved that mouse for gaming. Anything else, it's just fine, and the G502 does better. And I'm waffling again, so I guess I'll end the video. If you want to see me waffle even more, I stream every Monday, Thursday and Saturday on Twitch TV/ProYamiYamPC. Make sure you catch me there. And yeah, I'll let it go. So if you like the video, like it. If you liked it even more, subscribe and have a good day.